5 must-dos when working with a buyer's agent. Did you know that aside from finding the right buyer's agent, there are certain things that you too, as the home buyer, need to do? If I'm your agent, here are the top 5 must-dos that I recommend. Number 1, get pre-approved for a mortgage first. This shows the seller that you're a qualified, serious buyer. 2, prepare a budget beyond the mortgage payment. Property taxes, maintenance, and utilities all add up and impact how much house you can afford. 3, cut distractions like bringing your kids along on home tours. You need to stay focused while exploring the homes. 4, avoid talking to the seller's agent. Similar to cops and robbers, you want your agent present when negotiating. And 5, be patient. Finding the right home takes time, so trust the process with your agent. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll cover 5 more tips for a smooth, successful home purchase. Good luck to you, and thank you for watching.